My friends, this is Ian Stewart at Buildabizonline. Now, I've just come to my programs page, so you can see that's mine, because after the question mark there, it's got my username on it. And I've just noticed it says not secure. Now, some people are very, very funny about this, and they think, what's not secure about this site? So that would get us a bad name. So what it usually is one of the links or one of the images. So it could be this one, which is very doubtful. This one, this one, this one. It could be one of these images that has not got the protocol HTTPS. The S stands for secure. So what I've done, I've logged into my members area and I've come to add or edit a program. And I'm just going to scroll down. Obviously, you start from the top and you click on edit program and you make sure that, and there it is. I can see it straight away. This says HTTP, which is the old-fashioned protocol. So if we put an S on that and just check for any more and click edit the program. Let me just check one more. No, that's got the S on it. Let's check another one. That's got the S on it. And this one. Again, that's got the S on it. And I think there's one more, this one. Yeah, these are all right. And I know that these are all right because I checked them the other day. Okay, so now that I altered this one, because this was the offending one, let's just check it again. Come down, and I've altered it to HTTPS. So if we come over to my programs page now, remember it says not secure. So if I refresh, and there it is, there's the padlock. So we're now secure. So as I say, some people, they're very, very skeptical about online programs. So if your programs page or any page is showing not secure on the outside, it doesn't matter so much about your members area, but especially these outside pages, your programs page especially, then it needs addressing. Now, if you can't fix it, just let me know and I'll have a go. But I want you to learn how to do it using this video first. Okay? Now, what I would like you to do as well, I would like you to subscribe to our video channel at YouTube. That's where all our training is. If you look here, right, all the training is at YouTube. So if you click onto this, there you will find,
hello friends, and welcome to,
excuse me, you will find all our training videos are down here. Okay, my friends? So please hit the subscribe button and also please like or dislike. It's entirely up to you. And if you wish, you can leave a comment. So all you got to do is click on here. You can leave a comment telling me what kind of training you want or whatever it might be. Or can you turn your volume up? It's too loud, it's too soft, or anything like that. Okay? I am here to help, and I want my training to be as best as it can be. So this is Ian signing out, saying thank you very much. My page is now secure. So thanks for listening, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel. Then every time I make a video and I upload it to YouTube, you will get notification straight away that there is a new training video. Okay, bye bye.